Now, we've been seeing an all-out showdown over the Congress manifesto, with the Prime Minister accusing the Congress of attempting to take wealth from the rich and give it to the poor, and even making it Hindu-Muslim fight. Amid that, even as Congress has been attempting damage control on that, you've got a controversy now playing out over Sam Pitroda's remarks, where he's spoken about inheritance tax to add to the Congress's problems. Congress's overseas chairman has now spoken about US's inheritance policy. Praising the US policy, Pitroda suggested that 55% of a person's wealth should be taken by the government after his or her death and redistributed to the public. Prime Minister Modi hours later latched onto this comment, slamming the Congress, saying that this is a wealth tax push wow by Sam Pitroda, and stating that the Congress wants to loot people even after their death. The Congress, though, immediately distanced itself from Pitroda's statement, saying that this is completely his personal view, that there's no mention of inheritance tax anywhere in the manifesto, and they have no plans of bringing that about. The Congress said that Pitroda's words were twisted to divert attention. Pitroda himself, soon after that video went viral, backtracked from his remarks, calling it his own views, not party policies, and also saying that his words have been twisted.
Nothing wrong in being rich, nothing wrong in accumulating wealth, but to what point? Let me tell you, in America, there is an inheritance tax. So if, let's say, one has $100 million worth of wealth, and when he dies, he can only transfer probably 45% to his children. 55% is grabbed by government. Now, that's an interesting law. It says, you in your generation made wealth. You are leaving now. You must leave your wealth for public.
शाही परिवार के शाहजादे के सलाहकार, इस शाहबीद परिवार के शाहजादे के पिताजी के भी सलाहकार, उन्होंने कुछ समय पहले कहा था, और ये परिवार उन्हीं की बात मानता है। उन्होंने कहा था कि हमारा देश का जो मिडिल क्लास है, मध्यम वर्गीय लोग हैं, जो मेहनत करके कमाते हैं, उन्होंने कहा उन पर ज्यादा टैक्स लगना चाहिए। ये इन्होंने पब्लिकली कहा है। अब ये लोग उससे भी एक कदम आगे चले गए हैं। अब कांग्रेस का कहना है कि वो इनहेरिटेंस टैक्स लगाएगी, माता पिता से मिलने वाली विरासत पर भी टैक्स लगाएगी।
कांग्रेस पार्टी सैम पित्रोड़ा के बयान के बाद कंप्लीटली एक्सपोज हो गई है। इनके मन में छुपी हुई मनसा क्या है, आज बाहर आ गया है। इसका कॉग्निजेंस, इसका संज्ञान देश की जनता ने लेना चाहिए, और कांग्रेस पार्टी अगर ये नहीं करना चाहती तो अपने मैनिफेस्टो से सर्वे की बात को विड्रॉ करना चाहिए, ये घोषित करना चाहिए। हमारी प्रायोरिटी माइनॉरिटी नहीं है, हमारी प्रायोरिटी गरीब है।
He expresses his views on issues that he considers important very freely, and that's part of democracy. His comments are torn out of context and they are being sensationalized in order to divert attention from the Prime Minister's deliberate, mischievous and malicious, poison-ridden campaign.
Now somebody like Sam Pitroda ji talking about inheritance tax, and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra ji defending openly that what his brother said is right, and Rahul Gandhi ji talking about committing a financial survey, institutional survey. Now people of India has been very clear over the last few days what Congress has got its mind after June 4. So it is going to be an outright rejection of Congress, outright rejection of India Alliance.
उनके बयान को सही संदर्भ में नहीं प्रस्तुत किया गया है, बल्कि तोड़ मरोड़ कर प्रस्तुत किया गया है, ये सैम पित्रोदा ने कहा है। इसके बाद फिर भाजपा एक बड़ा झूठ उसका बेनकाब हुआ। डर्टी ट्रिक डिपार्टमेंट की ट्रिक फेल हो गई।
एक वर्ग की वोट लेने के लिए, ताकि वर्ग की वोट बटे ना, अलग अलग पार्टियों में ना जाए, एक मुश्ता वो वोट जो है तुष्टीकरण कर रहे हैं ताकि हमें मिल जाए, और इस हद तक वो तुष्टीकरण कर रहे हैं कि साधारण भारतीय की जमीन जायदाद छीन रहे हैं, आदि धन दौलत छीन रहे हैं। तुम्हारा अगर 2 सोने की चूड़ियां तो एक कांग्रेस ले जाएगी, अगर तुम्हारे पास 2 रेडियां हैं तो एक रेडी कांग्रेस ले जाएगी.
It's not in the manifesto, my dear boy. What Sam Pitroda has said is not in the manifesto. Please understand, we are a democratic party. Everyone has a right to their personal opinions. Everyone knows I have personal opinions. But once the document is approved by the working committee, that's all the party is standing behind. So the party is saying, this is our document, read it. Nowhere does it talk about wealth redistribution. Nowhere does it talk about taking away anybody's gold and snatching the Mangal Sutras of women. This is such preposterous attacks that we are seeing from the BJP. It's a measure of their desperation.
खुद तो परिवारवाद की राजनीति करते हैं, लेकिन आपके परिवार के खून पसीने की कमाई को भी वसूली टैक्स लगाकर, वसूली टैक्स, ये इनहेरिटेंस टैक्स नहीं, इसको मैं वसूली टैक्स कहूंगा कांग्रेस का. जैसे कांग्रेस सत्ता में रहकर वसूली करती है, वैसे ही आपकी मौत के बाद भी वसूली टैक्स यानी कि इनहेरिटेंस टैक्स लगाने का सोच रही है. कांग्रेस का मैनिफेस्टो बताता है कि आपके गहने जांचेंगे, आपकी जमीन जांचेंगे, आपके बैंक अकाउंट जांचेंगे, आपकी प्रॉपर्टी जांचेंगे और उसको देश के उस समुदाय में बांट देंगे जो इनके लिए वोट बैंक है. तो आपने क्यों मेहनत करनी है देशवासियों? अगर आपकी मेहनत की कमाई का लाभ आपको और आपके परिवार को और आपके देश के विकास को नहीं मिलेगा, तो क्या राहुल गांधी की पार्टी को वसूली में मिलेगा?
आप जितना भी इनकम टैक्स लेना है ले लो, लेकिन ऐसे हम सर्वे करके वेल्थ रीडिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं, ये माओवादी मनस्थिति है. ये माओवादी मनस्थिति नहीं चलेगा.
And let me bring in Aishwarya Paliwal also on this broadcast. Aishwarya, you've got the BJP going all guns blazing against the Congress, and essentially in every single rally of the Prime Minister, he's putting the focus completely on the Congress manifesto, on the issue of wealth redistribution, and now on inheritance tax. This is clearly a strategy as far as the BJP is concerned, especially eyeing phase 2.
Well, Akshita, definitely. You know, we are seeing Prime Minister Narendra Modi over the past 3 days has been continuously speaking about the Congress manifesto and also speaking about what it entails and what will happen to the people. And now we are seeing Sam Pitroda here coming out and giving this statement has given enough ammunition to the Bharatiya Janata Party. The top leaders of the BJP now saying that this is exactly what we were telling you. What the Prime Minister has said in rallies is exactly what the Congress Party thinks about. So this one statement by Sam Pitroda, the Congress Party obviously saying that it's his personal opinion. It's not the opinion of the Congress Party, but this, Akshita, actually has given a lot of ammunition to the Bharatiya Janata Party. The top leaders now reacting to it.
And you know, what we're also seeing, Aishwarya, is that while this has become a sustained campaign of the BJP, are we also going to be seeing the BJP weave around this entire manifesto issue in the days going forward, even into phase 3?
Well, definitely we will see this because it was none other than Prime Minister Narendra Modi who picked up this one issue and rally after rally spoke about it, told the people what exactly will happen and also joined it with gold because, Akshita, in our country, gold is not just jewelry, it's an emotion. And that's exactly what Prime Minister Narendra Modi has done. Not just the PM, we are seeing the other leaders, also top leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party, now making sure that the election somehow is weaved around this issue and with Sam Pitroda giving them enough ammunition now with this one statement. We will see the other leaders also jumping on the bandwagon.
All right, thanks very much, Aishwarya, for getting us a sense of really how the BJP is planning their entire campaign, rallies, all of it around these particular controversies, from the Congress manifesto to now the comment by Sam Pitroda.